It all began with a 3D scan, then step by step I modeled the design, brought it to life through 3D printing, and finished every detail by hand to match the real thing. I designed a full custom dashboard with animations, programmed Pro Micro to handle all input, and wired the electronics to bring everything together. After designing the full circuit, I started with a blank copper board and made my first PCB at home, tracing the layout and applying a solder mask for a pro finish. Once everything was ready, I brought all the parts together, and now it's finally complete and ready to race. button box in action with this FPV view. Starting here, this rotary is for ABS bias adjustment. Next up is traction control, controlled by the second rotary. You can easily tweak it mid-corner if needed, just like in real AMG GTR. Now, the third rotary is where things get interesting. It controls the actual fast speed using SimHub. So when I turn this dial, the air blowing on me changes in real time based on how I set it. And if I want to completely turn the fan on or off, I just use this dedicated switch right here. The switches on top are mapped for different functions. For example, one of them controls the brightness of the button lights, and others are used to toggle things like the wipers, ignition, or any other essential functions I need during the race. Now, let's take a look at the V-shaped button layout. First button here is for muting Windows audio. Super handy when I needed to quickly kill background sounds. Second one is for pausing the game. Of course, all the buttons are fully mapped, so you can assign whatever function you want depending on the sim you are playing. Now, here's one of my favorite features, the nav pad. Navigating menus with a mouse while strapped in a rig isn't fun, so with this pad it's way easier to move around menus, tweak settings, or browse in Windows, all without reaching for a mouse. Alright, so that was a quick list of my custom black box projects. If you missed how I built it from scratch at home, make sure to check the full build videos. Links are in the description. I have also shared all the project files down there in case you want to build your own. I hope you enjoyed this final video in the series. If you don't want to miss what's coming next, don't forget to subscribe, like, and drop a comment to support the channel. It really helps me keep creating content like this. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Ciao.